Hey guys, it's Bean here. This week I'm not going to do any nail polish. I'm just going to do a manicure and leave my nails naked. I think they need a break from the nail polish. We are on beginning week 3 of the Grow With Me series. I started off just soaking each one of my hands in the manicure bath for 5 minutes, following up with washing my hands. After washing my nails, I use the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I think it's been about 6 weeks since I painted my nails with the Fun Lacquer magnetic nail polish that really stained my nails yellow. It's growing out. We're about halfway through with it growing out. I thought that my nails would be worse, like a lot worse, since I used this OPI green color, but it actually doesn't look like it stained my nail any more than they already were from that Fun Lacquer nail polish. So that's pretty nice. I'm glad that it's not more yellow. So because I'm right-handed, I'm going to show like how I do it with my left hand. I feel like a lot of YouTubers stick with only doing things with their dominant hand and showing with their dominant hand, but it's kind of nice to see how well things go when you use your non-dominant hand. So this part I will keep in real time and not speed it up so that you can see how it goes when I work with my non-dominant hand. Again, when you're pushing your cuticle back, you're just trying to not feel the drag anymore along your nails. When you first start pushing them, you'll feel some resistance, and that's the cuticle that you're trying to push back. You don't have to push hard. You don't have to hurt yourself. You just keep going over it and let the cuticle remover do its job. It'll soften it up, and then it just easy peasy gets off your nail, and then you can wipe it off, or if you need to, use the nippers to cut the cuticle. And again, we're just only cutting the cuticle, not the eponychium or any of the skin around your fingernail. Alright guys, so I'm happy with this outcome. Next I am going to I have a glass cuticle pusher. So I am going to go along my cuticles with this to remove anything that I missed. Just like with the metal cuticle pusher, you don't want to apply a ton of pressure with this glass cuticle pusher because it is chemically etched, just like the nail file, and you run the risk of filing some of your nail off. So you just want to be super gentle just to get off the rest of the cuticle that you may have missed. I'm now just going to use my glass nail file to file my nails. Guys, this is an important step. You don't want to skip this even if you're growing your nails out. If you leave cracks or splits in your nails, you're just leaving room for it to snag on something and for it to become weak. When I file my nails, I'm not filing them to take off length or to change the shape. I very lightly just run the nail file over all the free edge of my nail just to get rid of any little snags that I may have on my nail that I can't see, and that will protect me from getting any serious breaks or compromising the strength of my nail. So it's just a very light file. I don't take any length off. It's a very important step not to skip. That's all the filing I'm going to do. I don't want to take any length off because we are trying to grow them out. So I guess I lied. I am going to file some more. I'm just gonna shape them up a little. Next step is just cuticle oil because I really am just going to let my nails breathe this week. I am just going to use the La L'Occitane cuticle oil that I mentioned before. This is one of my favorites, based solely on the way it smells. After I put on cuticle oil, I then put lotion on my hands. This again is from the La L'Occitane brand. This is the best scent in the entire world, and I love it. La L'Occitane is expensive, so I'm not really promoting everybody go out and buy it, but I just love it. Also, I have an outlet store kind of close. Because I don't have nail polish on, I will be diligent with applying cuticle oil, but this is the final look. We will leave it like this for a week, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks, guys.